Introducing the TRD490N from Tera Pump. The TRD490N is an all-manual lever-action drum barrel pump, a hybrid construction of steel, aluminum, and PVC. This pump is built for performance and longevity. It is all manual with its lever-action pumping, no batteries or power sources required. Just insert the pump into the barrel, tighten, and pump the level to start transferring. This pump has a built-in 2-inch bung adapter and telescopic suction tube of 18 to 33 inches. And it can transfer up to 10 ounces per stroke. You can find this pump by searching TRD490N on Amazon.com.